All right, a quick tip for truck camping. Now, one of the big issues is when it's raining or snowing, a lot of these canopies, the back glass is pitched upwards, and what that does is it causes all the water that collects on that to drain right down onto your bed. So the simple little modification that I've come up with is build a set of limiting straps. These are just a piece of heavy duty cord, and I just loop them around the gas struts, and it limits how far the door can go up. So it's just slightly tipped at a downward angle, so it should drain close to the end of your tailgate rather than back into the camper itself. Is it a perfect solution? No. A 720 awning would be really nice, but this cost me about $1.